Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got from Chanel. I finally got some of their holiday beauty sets. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So I've seen a lot of people already show these on here, but that's okay. I'm gonna show mine because I'm so excited that I finally got them. I have been obsessed with them for the past few years. I love the little makeup bags, so I really wanted them. So I got 4. So I'm gonna show you guys. And they have more than these 4, but these were the only ones that I liked. So one thing about me, I do not like Chanel fragrance. I don't own any Chanel fragrances. I have never found one that I liked. They're either too floral, too mature. I just don't like them. I really like sweet scents, so I've always stayed away from Chanel fragrances, which if you love Chanel fragrances, that's great. I just do not. And I always kind of steered away from their makeup because I always thought it was scented and scented like that floral, because my grandma had some Chanel makeup and it always smelled like Chanel No. 5, and absolutely not. I have been seeing Chanel makeup all over YouTube, all over TikTok, and I've decided to try it. And I don't think you guys know that about me, that I love makeup. I collect makeup. I used to have a huge collection. I kind of like downsized a little bit, but I love makeup. I still love to buy makeup. So yeah, because not only did I get these sets, I also got a few other items. When I went into the store, she gave me a lot of samples, which was really sweet of her. That was the first time that I have been into the Chanel beauty store. They have a store in the mall by me. So she gave me a lot of perfume samples, which I guess, I mean, we can see. I know I don't like Coco Mademoiselle. I know I don't like that one. A lot of these are ones that I've never even heard of, so I guess I can try those. And then this is an eye cream on a body cream. First thing I got was this lip gloss, which is in the shade Icing. So let's open this, and I'll swatch it for you guys. So yeah, so it's this really pretty pink color, which I am a super nude lip type of girl. So yeah, I don't even know if you can see that, but it's super nude and I love that. I'm seeing this all over TikTok and it was sold out on Ulta. This is the Hydrating Vibrant Lip Color in the shade Boy. I don't remember who was wearing this, but I just loved it and I thought it was so pretty and so sheer. So that is it right there. It's a pretty nude color. Yeah, so I'm excited to try that now that it's fall. I think that's a pretty fall color. And then I got one of these multi-use glow sticks in the shade Sculpting. So I really wanted to try this because I want to use it as kind of like a no makeup highlighter. So I'm bad at swatching this, you guys, and I don't know how this is gonna look on my hand, but there it is right there. So yeah, so it's a really pretty like kind of champagne gold color. Now we're gonna get into these. So this one is called A Sight to See, and it's the eye makeup set. Inside it's stuffed with tissue paper, and then you get the 2 items. This is the mascara. Let's open this. And these are full-size products, which that's nice. And the one looks really nice. I've never tried any Chanel makeup, like I said before, so I am excited to try this. I do have long eyelashes, so I've been trying to just wear mascara, and I've really been liking it, so I'm excited to try this. And this is a waterproof eyeliner, so I don't really wear eyeliner, but I sometimes do, like in my waterline. That's just like a little twist up eyeliner. And now the next one I got is the On The Go Moisture Set, and I think this was the one that I was the most excited about. In it, you get a hydrating and fortifying oil. You get a tinted lip balm in Dreamy White. So let's open this, and this is a different color of the makeup bag. So I got both colors that they come in. So now this one is kind of like a off-white color with gold stitching, and it says Chanel. And here you see the 2 boxes. This is the oil and this is the tinted balm. And I want to say that I have this balm, but I'm not sure. Actually, I think I don't. Mine comes in a black tube, and actually I don't think I have this one, or maybe I do. But yeah, so it's just clear. Lady that helped me at the store, she said that this was kind of like a cuticle oil. So here it is right here. I've actually never seen this before. So yeah, so it has this little kind of like squeezy tube. Let me see how this works. I guess it feels kind of hydrating. I don't know if my nails look shiny. I know you guys either love or hate my nails. Thank you if you love them. If you don't like them, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. This one is called the Easy Come Easy Glow. So in this you get the transparent glow stick, which is like this one that I got earlier in the sculpting color. So this one is transparent, and now you get another hydrating balm, and this one's called Natural Charm. So I want to say this is the same bag as this. Here is the bag. It's the same as the other one. These are so cute. I'm so excited to like put them in my purse and like travel with them. I'm so excited. So yeah, so this is the hydrating balm in Natural Charm. So this is also in the white tube. That's a pretty color. That's like kind of like a Your Lips But Better color. So let's try what this one looks like. But this one's transparent, and I saw a girl on TikTok. Oh yeah, that's not showing up. I saw this girl on TikTok talking about this one, and she put it on her lids, and it looked like kind of like that glossy wet look of your lids, and it was super cute. So I want to try that. And yeah, so that was the next set. So now we're down to the last set, which is now in this bag again. And this is the lip gloss trio. So you get, oh my gosh, I'm gonna like butcher these names. One says Melted Honey. You can read the names. I just don't want to mess up those names. But the middle one is called Melted Honey. Now, do I need 2 of each? No and yes. Get these 3 lip gloss shades. But one of these is called 119, and that is my birthday. So, okay, it was meant to be. Let's take this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is kind of a color that, even though it's 119, this does not look like a color that I would wear. But let's swatch this, because maybe. Well, that's a pretty color. Oh, this one is 722. See this color? Okay, this is kind of like a brown nude color. So it's this one right here. So that's a pretty nude. I will for sure be wearing this one. And now this one is the Melted Honey. This is the one that I'm the most excited about because it's kind of like this gold nude color. Like kind of like just a gold shimmer. And that is so pretty. So I'm so excited to wear that. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.